Hi, it's Julie back again, and I'm planning another experiment. This one is for 90 days, as that is what, see, this is, oops, can you see that? It's Vegamour, and it's a 90-day challenge, and I'm going all out on this. I've got the shampoo, and I've got the conditioner, and, and I have an entire 90 days worth of the Advanced Hair Care Grow gummies. Now, as you can see, the pandemic has not been nice to me. I have finally let my gray grow out, but as you can see, my hair was coming out during the pandemic. I mean, in handfuls. And this is what has brought this on, is this experiment, because my hair is just so thin and fine, and it's growing in very wiry. And I actually have decided to also work on, let's see, there's a lash serum that I'm going to be using, because you can tell my lashes. I am 67 years old, and those lashes are practically non-existent now. And the same thing with my eyebrows. You can't even really see them. So I'm also doing the advanced eyebrow. Now, the reason for this experiment is Nicole Kidman has partnered up with Vegamour, and she was, promoting it, saying it had really helped her hair and everything. And it's like, well, you know me, I'm all for experimenting on myself with these products and seeing if they really do live up to their claims. So I will be posting once a week regarding my experiment, to give you insights to see how this is going along. Like I said, I am transitioning to gray hair, so I trimmed off all the colored portion, because I was thinking at first that, the hair coloring was what was, like I said, my hair, I can't even get a whole handful because it's just not thick enough. It's just this little tiny wisps of stuff. And it's not because I've cut my hair short. It's because my hair fell out because of the stresses of the pandemic. Previously I lived in Japan, and now I'm in DC. So I had to move from Japan to the States. I retired. There's been changes in exercise patterns and the lack of socializing, and it takes a toll on your face. You can see a lot of new wrinkles here. But what we're going to be focusing on is hair, brows, and lashes. And like I said, I actually bought a full 3 months worth of the gummies. Oops, where are we going with this? There we go. All 3 months, because I'm committed to 90 days, which is the amount of time on the website it talks about to see results. So, oh, don't you just love all this? So this is me getting real with you on day 1. First thing I'm starting with is, they say, advanced scalp detoxifying serum. So this is what I will be using first. We're going to try it on myself, see if we can really see some real changes in my hair, my eyebrows. Yes, you can see. Oh, there's a little bit of eyebrow in there. Look at that. Look at that. And lashes, because they're just, none of that's showing up. So, Julie, coming at you all again. I hope you'll be with me on this experiment, and let the fun and games begin. And I'm wishing you all well, because Lord knows we all need it in these times. Take care.